In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account on Amazon Prime Video. Whether you're switching to a different service or simply cutting down on subscriptions, cancelling your account is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to primevideo.com. Once there, you'll want to log in using your Amazon account credentials. This is crucial because you can only make changes once you're logged into the account you wish to delete. So go ahead and enter your email and password, ensuring you have access to the right account. After logging in, look for the profile icon, which is typically situated at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on this icon will unveil a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Account and Settings. Click on that option to proceed. The Account and Settings page is your gateway to all the necessary tools you'll need to manage your Prime Video account, including cancelling your membership. Now, once you're on the Account and Settings page, look for an option that says End Membership or something similar. This option sometimes might be a bit subtle, so take your time scrolling through the page to locate it. Clicking End Membership is the first official step in initiating the cancellation process. After you've clicked to end your membership, you'll likely encounter a confirmation pop-up. This might include details about your current billing period, reminding you of what you'll be forfeiting. It's a good opportunity to review any benefits you might lose by ending your subscription. If you're sure about your decision, look for the confirmation button, which will typically say something like End on Date. This will usually be the date when your current billing cycle ends. It's an important step because simply clicking End Membership doesn't completely finalize the process. You need to confirm it. Once you've confirmed your decision, you'll officially be set to end your subscription. Remember that until the date specified, you will still have access to all the content and features of Amazon Prime Video. After this point, your account will no longer be charged and your access will cease. And there you have it, a quick and clear guide to cancelling your Amazon Prime Video account. Remember, if you ever decide to come back to Prime Video, you'll simply need to log in and resubscribe to their services. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts in the comments below.